How can you buy Bitcoin on Coinbase with bank account? If you wish to buy Bitcoin on Coinbase with bank account, then it's a very simple procedure. Bitcoin on Coinbase, you could choose your bank account as a payment method. So what you need to do is here, you could either tap on the plus button when you open the Coinbase, or you could go and select the particular asset that you want to go ahead and buy. So when you select that out, next field you'll be asked to go ahead and read the terms and conditions. And if you are sure about it, click on buy at the bottom of the page. When you click on the buy button, then you have to specify the exact amount of Bitcoin or the asset that you want to purchase. And accordingly, you could also see the payment options. There, you have to go ahead and select your bank account. So as per the bank account, you could provide your credit card or a debit card, and then choose a payment method as one of these options. And when you do it so, the money will be deducted from your bank account, and that is how you could buy Bitcoin on Coinbase with bank account. That is the simplest way you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.